students, this lesson is about reading with accuracy and decoding words with k, and k. We'll be reading Fluency Passage 6.1. Why is that lake pink? Accuracy means to recognize each word you read and to pronounce it correctly so that the text makes sense to you and to your listeners. Good readers work hard to improve their accuracy. They also monitor their reading and correct mistakes they make, such as mispronouncing words. If a part of the text does not make sense, you should pause, use context to confirm your word recognition, and then self-correct. Let's read Fluency Passage 6.1. Why is that lake pink? In Western Australia, there are the pink lakes. These natural lakes are not pink as the result of a mistake. They get their color from the presence of algae. The lakes contain salt water. The high levels of salt create carotenoids. Carotenoids are organic pigments that can be found in plants and other organisms such as algae. Carotenoids are usually yellow to red in color. Some lakes change color depending on temperature. One lake turns pink when the weather gets warm and dry. According to Dr. Mark Norman, high temperatures cause the water to evaporate. This causes the salt level to increase to 8 or 10 times that of the ocean. This creates an ideal habitat for the single-cell algae that produce carotenoids, turning the lake pink as a result. Dr. Norman is a biologist who manages the lake and tracks the patterns of the temperature and color. He said the lake returns to its normal colors, which are blues and browns, when the weather cools down and rains return in the winter. This usually happens in June in Australia. Australia has quite a few pink lakes, but they can be found in other places too. There are hundreds of pink lakes throughout the world. Each lake is a different shade of pink. This is because each lake has different levels of algae and salt in the water. Some of the lakes are even bright pink like bubblegum. You can enjoy a yummy picnic lunch near a quiet pink lake in Spain, Tanzania, Bolivia, Kenya, or Mexico. How was my accuracy as I read? Skip the video back and practice reading along with me. I noticed words with k, and k while I was reading the passage. There are multiple ways to spell the k sound, including K, CK, and CH. The letter N stands for ng when it appears before K. The letters QU stand for kwa. Here are a few example words: skunk, quart, topic, chicken, school. Now let's look at the words with k, and kwa sounds and practice decoding them from our passage. Why is that lake pink? Lakes, mistake, tracks, quite, like, picnic, quiet. Can you find more examples of k, and k words in this text or others? Now it's your turn to practice. At the bottom of the page, find a copy of the passage. Practice reading it several times, then make a recording for your teacher. Have fun reading!